So this is the Johari. So we have the Sleeklay part, Sleeklay lace front wig part. It's supposed to lay flatter and better, so we shall see. Has the deep sea lace part. And the color that I have it in is the 3D RFF Amber Blonde. And these are the other colors that it comes in. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it can be washed, of course. Has a transparent lace. And yeah, let's get into this review. This is the card that comes with it that we just saw. And there she is. Some more information, key features, and these are the colors. And this is what we have. Oh, the color is so pretty. And that's just in the netting. And getting her out of the pack. Let's see here. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Love that color. That is so pretty. And up close, this is the lace. I'll show you the construction of the cap area. So we have the elastic band here. We have the comb at the nape of the neck. We have a comb here to the left toward the back, and then another comb to the right. So that's kind of like near the ear, it looks like. And we do not have a comb at the top at all or near the part. So that's interesting. They usually do. I'm going to go ahead and get the lace cut, and I'll be back. And what you do is you just cut close to the hairline and cut the lace off, and I'll show you in a second. And I don't know if you can see, but it comes with the baby hairs too. I meant to show that earlier, but it comes with the little baby hairs. And the lace is cut, so I'm going to get her on. And this is how she looks. Hopefully you can see that. So this is how she looks from behind. So hopefully you can see that. So this is straight out of the pack. I didn't do anything to the edges or anything yet. So we're going to get into getting her fixed up and combed out. So I had to get my glasses on to see a few things. So guys, I had to change the shirt. I'm going somewhere, so I am going to attempt to cut this in like 5 minutes. So we'll see what we can do. So I'm going to take a snippet of hair and I just go up like this. Hope you can see that. Or go down or up. And I'll just do it like that. That way it's not straight across. And then I will get the back. Down is easier. Make sure all the ends are off. Okay. That's better. That's much better. If you're not sure where you want it cut at, start low and then work your way up. Okay. And I'm going to take this off and get the back. And what you can do is just take off the wig, hold up the back, and just trim it and go like that. And here it goes. I like it. So here is the final look, and I am excited the way it came out after I cut it, because it was way long. I think it was like a 20-inch unit, but I cut it to like 16. And I love this length. This is one of my favorite lengths. 14 to 16 is perfect for me. Love this color. So again, here is the little box, and the plastic is sitting over there somewhere now, but this is the little casing that it comes in. And then it is the Outre Sleeklay lace front wig with a part, and it is the Johari in 3D RFF Amber Blonde. So I'll probably be repeating this from earlier, but this is the Amber Blonde, 3D RFF Amber Blonde. So there's the card, and I just love it. I love the color. Is gorgeous for spring. Spring is coming up, so what way to be bright, and not bright, not too bright, but just, you know, just a little different aura, you know, not so dark like the winter time, but, you know, it just gives a little lightness, a little brightness to the countenance and everything. So I love that about this unit. It comes in a 1B, 2 DR2 cinnamon spice, DR2 hazelnut, DR4 cream blonde, DRFF black cherry, DRFF sunkissed brown, 3D RFF amber blonde, which is this one, and the 3D RFF wheat blonde. So those are some very nice colors, and you get a big variety. And this is what some of the colors look like. I hope you all can see that. But those are the samples of the colors. And yeah, let me show y'all what it looks like in the back now that I've cut it. So this is the length in the back. So it has one comb here, and this is the lace. But it has one comb right there. And that's at the top in the front. Then this is towards the back of the neck, another comb, and then another comb on the other side of the back. And then it has the adjustable strap. So I hope you love this wig review. I enjoyed doing it. I'm so glad that I purchased this, and I will leave a link below to where you can purchase this unit also. I'll leave the price right here that I paid for it. It may have changed by now, but it's very affordable. Very affordable. So I'll also link a wig tutorial, wig review at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Don't click off. There's another one coming up, so you can just click right on it, and I hope you enjoyed that one too. All right, so you all be blessed and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Subscribe to the channel. I hope you love the video. I hope you take a look around and you enjoy all the other videos that you come across too. I do vlogs, cooking videos, how-to videos, and give snippets of motherly advice, wifely advice, and spiritual wisdom that the Lord has blessed me to obtain thus far. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Love you all. You all be blessed, and I'll see you next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.